What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Hope y'all are doing great. And if you're new, I'm a Jamaican living in Australia. Alright, so today's video is not about the garden, but I'm fully outside. And what am I outside to do? Kayaking. Yes, man. So here I have a kayak, a one-person kayak. And this kayak, fun fact, my wife bought this kayak on Father's Day last year. And that's like almost 10 months ago. So yeah, it's been a long time and I haven't used it. I did put down for so long saying I'm going to go fishing and all of that. As you all have seen most of the videos, I've not been going fishing or anything like that. So I had this kayak put down for a long time, but today is the day where I'm actually gonna try it out for the first time. And I also brought my rod with me to fish, but the intention is not really to fish. It's more to just explore and just see what I can see and take you all along with me. And yeah, so we're outside at a local river here and gonna explore, so join me. Let's go now, we're on a roll. But before we go, please ensure to thumbs up this video and hype up the video. Once you thumbs up, down where the comment section is, you're gonna see the hype section once you thumbs it up. All right, so hype up the video, and by the end of the video, let me know what you all think. All right, let's go now, we're on a roll. Yeah, so it's a decent kayak. Yeah, nice second hand, but first time I'm gonna try it out. And yeah, got the straps on, so I'm gonna be releasing these. Release these and take it down, just like that. There we go. So I'm excited all day. It seemed like it wanted to rain, but it's just been drizzling, cloudy, a bit of sun, but so far it hasn't been that bad. So taking the chance and say, well, if I get wet, I get wet. So still overcast, as you can see. Alright, got that off. Alright, so it's a pretty easy kayak to deal with. It's not heavy. It's easy to lift and carry. So just like that, I can take it off and put it down. The river is just right behind me, so I'm gonna take it over there. Got my paddle here. Got my seat, which I'm gonna put here. Also have my fishing rod. I'm just taking one rod just to see if I'll have any luck. There's something I just noticed here, which is this tree. And I don't know what it is, but it's growing some type of fruit on it. And I know that these are actually planted here. I don't know if it's edible or what. If you have any idea what this is, let me know. Yes, all of these trees were planted here. I'm going to lift it, bring it down. It's a bit of walk. I didn't really want to bring the car all the way down. So instead I'll just, and if you all have seen me fish by the river before, this is the spot that I came, but it's the first time I'm actually gonna use a kayak. So I'm excited. A lot of people use their boat, take their boats down here as well, because it's a boat ramp. Damn, it's actually really muddy. Man. So these are what I'm working with. I have some little lure here, which I never actually caught a fish on lure before, but as I said, it's not really about the fishing today, but just to explore. I'm gonna put this on. Moment of truth. We're going in. It is so bloody muddy here. Hope it's not slippery. Whoa, 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 it is slippery. It's not slippery. Whoa, 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 it is slippery. Whoa, 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 I'm actually sliding. Holy shit. Can't believe I'm doing this. Holy shit. Can't believe I'm doing this. Oh, and it's in winter. We're in the first week of winter. Oh man, all that mud. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Yes, Tyrone. Are you this boy? You're mud. Oh my God, the water cold. The water is cold. I think this is us, you know. Oh, I'm stuck. Yeah, man, but no with this boy. We outside for real, for real. We are outside for real, for real. Woo! This is such a big river. Kayak kind of unstable though. The thing when you're in kayak, you have to know how to balance these things. But I'm fully outside here now. Yeah, boy. Alright, so I'm going upstream. It's down that direction, it's downstream, and there's like a big, what you call it, like a dam down that end, so don't want to go down there. Gonna explore going up, and hopefully we catch something and just enjoy the day out. It's a Monday, so, and it's actually a public holiday. It's the King's birthday, so it's a public holiday in Australia. So as you all know, I'm not good with lure fishing. I've never caught a fish on a lure, so all of this is new to me. But I'm not giving up, because I believe that one day I'll actually catch a fish on a lure, because I always do on live bait, so why not? And what I'm using today is this little, oops, put on not the line. So I'm using this little lure. Hopefully y'all can see it. That my co-worker gave to me. Said that he catch a lot of bass fish on lure. So gonna try it, and hopefully I catch something. That would be amazing. So first cast, my people. Try and turn this kayak around. Oh man, the water is actually cold, man. Cold. Here we go. Look at this. It's like a bean. It is massive. You all know what kind of bean this is? It is so heavy. Man. There's a little duck. If y'all can see right there. It's right over there. Swimming along. I'm not trying to spook it. Well, I guess it's not a duck. It doesn't really have duck feet. But it's some kind of water bird, I guess. Just under the bush there now. So it's actually colder now, so apparently when it's getting colder in winter, you actually have less fish action. But it's worth the try. It's worth coming out. It's worth the fun. Let's take a look at these flowers. Well, they're like a wildflower. Kind of look like sunflower too. You know, it's a good thing that I'm not in croc country. Meaning, I'm in New South Wales, which does not have any crocodiles, which is a good thing. But you'll find snakes and some big lizards and other creatures like spiders. But no crocodiles, so I can actually explore the river. So I have these little lure. I'll be trying. Time to try this lure. It actually moves like a real fish in the water. Oh, it's quite heavy too. Oh, I got twisted up here. That's not good. I'm also seeing a lot of guava trees. There's one guava tree there. There's one here, bigger one. Oh, and there's another one up top. So there's a lot of guava trees around. I'm gonna check if there's any. It's actually empty. It's empty. So here you'll also find a lot of castor oil tree just growing along the banking of the river. Yeah, they actually have some nut on it as well. It's probably hard to see. Damn, this river is just massive. It opens up all the way, going that way. The Northern Rivers is huge river anyway. So things I know that are in this river, you have platypus, eel, turtle, bass, a fish they call carp, and I think you have crayfish in here as well as some shrimps, like the little shrimps or prawns. Yeah, but and also freshwater mullet. I'm not sure what else is in here, but yeah, I know there's lots of different species. Wow, I'm just noticing things as I am paddling, and this here has some little fruit looking thing on it. I'll get my phone and I will get a zoom in on it. So I'm just seeing these little fruits here. Like, I just don't know what they are though. But yeah, it's just growing by the bank in here. Interesting things you'll find. So I'm going to attempt to get out of this kayak without flipping it. And you have to be skilled to do that. Oh my god, no, sir, the water cool like a ice. What? The only problem is it's actually pure mud. That's what makes it sketchy now, because I can feel myself sinking away already. Oh yeah, it's too soft. The mud is too soft to even stand. But damn, the water is cold. Man. That is bloody cold. Sound like a boat is approaching. So it's quite a deep river, and all decent boats, decent sized boats. Among all these logs, you would think that it would have some fish, or maybe I just don't have the right bait for them. But next time for sure I'll definitely get some earthworm and bring with me and try and have a different experience. As I said, it's just that time that I needed to try out this kayak and, you know, have some fun. They're really wild. I don't know if y'all can see them, but the moment them see me, them start to run. But there's even a horse. There's an horse over there. It's running. Y'all probably can't see it properly, but there's a horse over there and all the sheep's running. And over here I think there's like cows over on this side. Yeah, so it's pure farmland, I'm telling you. These people own some massive property that's around this region, just like hundreds of acres, man, I'm telling you. just run over a log there. Oh wow, I see a freshwater turtle. The only thing is that it's probably gonna dive before you all get to see it. It's literally on a tree log. What the hell? I'm gonna try to get close to it. There's a freshwater turtle. Alright, so I've already packed up everything and I'm about to leave here now. So, but before I go, let me know what you all, if you all want to see more kayaking videos or, you know, any type of fishing or anything, just let me know. Drop some ideas in the comments what you think would be some great content here in Australia. Alright, so let me know in the comments and I'll work on it. But yeah, just gonna wash my feet now, as if you all can see. Pure mud. You see me? Yeah man, so it's really muddy. We're had to push through the kayak. So yeah, that is that. And I'll definitely catch you all in the next one, alright? Yeah man. Blessings all the time, people. Silent boy. Signing out. Damn, couldn't even wash my foot. Wasn't even worth washing my foot. It's difficult to get out of there.